What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to Nikos Property Show. We are at a finished project and we've been excited to show you how this house turned out. It is absolutely beautiful. We got the plans from this to this. But before we go inside, why don't y'all take a trip up top, check out the house on the exterior, then we'll take you inside. Head on up. Welcome in to this beautiful, beautiful, beautiful home. I'm so excited to show y'all around. Everything in here just feels so luxe. It feels so amazing. Right now, we're standing in that living room. We've got this chandelier right here. My interior designer here did an amazing job. Check out this fireplace. Imagine right here, you got your sectional, your sofa, your lean back, whatever you want, you get it. And then you're sitting here, you're watching your TV, or you put a painting right there, whatever you want. You can watch cars drive by. You're just enjoying the beauty and the tranquility of what this home has to offer. And then going into this open space right here, you are in the kitchen, which brought to you by Lillian Cabinets. This turned out amazing. Love the navy blue shaker right there with the white all the way around. With that hood vent right there, that is something that we've actually never done in another house. This is our first time doing that. And check this out. I forget how to do it, but let's try this. Let's try this. Hi, Andy. Speed 1. Hi, Andy. Power on.
Hi, I am here.
She is here. Hi, Andy. Power on.
Okay, working now.
That's pretty cool. I'll be honest, that's pretty darn cool. This thing starts working. Hi, Andy. Power off.
Hi, I am here.
Power off.
Okay, goodbye.
Thank you. She listens, that's awesome. But we went with the gold faucet in here. You can see that we have gold cabinet handles as well. We provide all the appliances. This house is actually selling. We are excited to get this sold. Get somebody in here. And then we walk into the dining room right here. Of course, we went with the gold chandelier. You're gonna have a huge table. I mean, just imagine, I'm 6'1", okay? I don't know what my arm span is, but imagine, this is the table. I still got space behind me. The table can come all the way out to here. You can do a whole lot of stuff here. We went with the beautiful trim work against the walls here just to spice it up a little bit. And I'm telling you, this master, this pantry, honestly, this whole house looks amazing. I was about to say the guest bathroom, the back deck, it all looks amazing. But first things first, I want to take you into the master because that really sets it off. You know what? No. You're going to have to wait for that. Let's go into the guest side. You're going to have to wait for the master. It's beautiful. But this is also beautiful. You got a nice bedroom. Big, spacious bedrooms. Of course, we got the double windows right there. The 3060 twins. Just big, phenomenal space. Amazing double closet right here. It goes in. We've got the custom shelving in there with the black rods. And that goes in through the other bedroom as well. That's actually behind us. And so I'm not going to actually go in there and show you that closet, but I want you to show you the space of how that feels. I mean, it's very spacious, feels great. There's a window that looks out to the backyard, but then when you come back over this way and you're sharing this bathroom, come through here and just show them how beautiful this tile lays right here. It is a very nice look. I love how this turned out. Of course, we went with the blue, the navy shaker cabinet in there, beautiful quartz countertops right there. Amazing, amazing, amazing. And just check out this guest bedroom tub slash shower slash spray yourself or your baby's head. You don't need a pitcher no more. How beautiful is that? We actually added this in later. I couldn't do it. We didn't have it. And I was like, you know what? Why not? We're already spending money. Why not? We got some custom shelving in here as well for all your linens, maybe some decorations, robe hook, and everything just goes really, really well. I'm really excited for how this bathroom turned out. But why don't y'all follow me into the other side of the house? Oh, alrighty, y'all. I guess it's time for me to get out of the bathtub. Standalone tub in the master bathroom. Back up out of here. Y'all got to get this full experience. This is the master bedroom right here. Super spacious. Look at this beautiful fan right here on the ceiling. You got the gold, you got the black. You see, we went a lot of gold throughout this house, But come on in here with me. Look at this beautiful tile and these natural cabinets that we got from Lillian Cabinets. We went with the gold handles in here too. You can see we've got the gold for the faucets. You can almost feel that. You almost want to get wet. You know what I'm saying? But anyways, we did a little bit of the mixing with the metals in here. You can see the gold lights in between, all of the mirrors and everything like that. We really love how this turned out. I mean, check out this shower. Like, imagine just getting in here. You're going in here, you've got the bathroom, come in here, turn the lights on real quick, do what you gotta do, flush that toilet, handle your business, get out of there. And then probably the best part of the entire house, y'all, is right here in this master custom closet. This is most likely the her side right here. We've got extra shelving for whether it's purses or whatever you want to do to stack up, things like that. We've got the black rods. This is all custom work right here. If you turn around, we'll tell you why. You can see we've got the angles on the shelving right there, so you can actually see the shoes. You know, a lot of people buy those platforms where if it's a flat shelf, you can see the top. But just look how that turned out. And then this is his side. Same thing on the angles right here. And then of course, you know, more jacket space, pant space, whatever you want to do. And the coolest thing, I keep saying this is the coolest thing, but check this out. Okay, so we went master bedroom, we went master bathroom, and then we're in master closet into the washer and dryer area. Laundry room, call it what you want. Little folding station. Supplying appliances. How awesome is that? Blue wall. Who puts blue on a wall? It's right here. All kinds of, what's this, beadboard? It's amazing. I love how this is turning out right here. This is beautiful. I'm excited to show y'all the pantry, but first, why don't we do a little sneak peek in the garage? We went ahead and did the epoxy with the dark gray. Beautiful two-car garage, extended. You could fit a truck in there. Very spacious. But then check out this pantry. We went with the Lillian green cabinetry right there. We got the soft close, man. Check it out. Ooh, watch this. Ooh, look at that. We supply the microwave. What do you want? We got it. We got the custom shelving in here. Wait, you think this ain't soft close? You better believe it is. We got extra shelving right there, floating shelves. Whatever shelves you want, we got you. I mean, come in here, check this out. Beautiful, absolutely beautiful. I'm so excited for whoever is buying this house. We are selling this. We are praying for them. We appreciate everybody watching to this point. I mean, this has been an amazing experience. I'm so grateful just for how we were able to work through this, the team, everybody, all of our guys, all of our subcontractors, ladies that worked on this job site. I mean, we've had tons of people working in and out on this thing, and we finally got it where we want it, to where somebody can enjoy it and they can experience the greatness of hard work, determination, waking up early, doing what we got to do to get this house built and get it handed over to the next person who's going to be enjoying it. Because we didn't really get to enjoy it. We got to enjoy the process. They get to enjoy the product. So that's going to be amazing. This house went from house to home. It feels amazing. Once they get their furniture in here, that's going to be even more phenomenal. But you can look it up online. You might find the sales price, everything like that. We actually have it sold, and we're signing paperwork the day after this video is being filmed. So that's pretty great as well. We got a ton of other projects going on right now. We'll show you what that looks like. And right now, man, I think that's it. I appreciate you. I love you. Smile more, worry less, stay blessed. We love what we got going on here. And thank you for watching Nikos Property Show. We'll see you on the next one. Peace out.